Welcome to Session 18, Customary Length, Weight, and Capacity. Customary units use different conversion numbers, so a clear equality matters more than a memorized decimal shift. You will convert lengths, weights, and liquid capacities, combine mixed units, and keep ordinary ounces distinct from fluid ounces. For length, 12 inches equal 1 foot, 3 feet equal 1 yard, and 5,280 feet equal 1 mile. For weight, 16 ounces equal 1 pound, and 2,000 pounds equal 1 ton. For liquid capacity, 2 cups equal 1 pint, 2 pints equal 1 quart, and 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. Convert 3.5 feet to inches. Use 1 foot equals 12 inches. Multiply 3.5 feet by 12 inches per foot. Feet cancel, and 3.5 times 12 equals 42 inches. The larger number is sensible because inches are smaller than feet. Convert 5 quarts to gallons. 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. Multiply 5 quarts by 1 gallon per 4 quarts. The quart unit cancels, leaving 5/4 gallons, or 1.25 gallons. The numerical value decreases because gallons are larger than quarts. Add 2 feet 9 inches and 1 foot 8 inches. Convert both measurements to inches. 2 feet 9 inches is 33 inches. 1 foot 8 inches is 20 inches. The sum is 53 inches. Regroup 48 inches as 4 feet, leaving 5 inches. The result is 4 feet 5 inches. Ordinary ounces measure weight, while fluid ounces measure liquid capacity. 16 ounces equal 1 pound. 8 fluid ounces equal 1 cup. The units cannot be converted directly into each other without information about the material, because weight and capacity are different kinds of quantities. Check note: how many inches are in 4.25 feet? Multiply by 12 inches per foot. 4.25 times 12 equals 51. The foot unit cancels, leaving 51 inches. Choice C is correct. Identify length, weight, or capacity. State the exact customary conversion equality. Orient a factor so the old unit cancels, and normalize mixed measures before combining them. Regroup and estimate to verify the result. Continue learning and practicing at bridge to exam.com.